What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video, guys, is about NIO earnings expectation, as well as an update on our call option and everything else you need to know about the stock market. So, guys, without further ado, let's get ready to take a look at my portfolio. But hey, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and join us on the road to 100K. If I helped you in any way, whether that's make some money, give you a new outlook on the stock market, the least you can do is like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, on the road to 100K, my portfolio is currently, sitting at $80.42. Look at this, guys. This caught me off guard. It is up 2.12% today, which is equal to $1,645. This is one of the powerful things about the stock market that I always try to teach you guys, man. Good days in the market will help grow your portfolio more than you can ever imagine. I'm trying to get to 100K to show you guys how to go from $0 to 10K, then 10K to 100, and it's days like this that gets you there. No money added, and I'm already close to $80,000. Listen, guys, by now you've heard the news about the vaccine that Moderna has come out with, okay? And so that's the catalyst for why the market is up today, okay? There will be days like this where you want to be able to take advantage by being invested. People that's on the sideline and sitting around, they're just missing out on the wealth that they could be generating and building for themselves and their families, okay? But I want us to take advantage of that, okay? And one way we do that is by investing in great plays. Today, before I jump into NIO, I need to show you guys this, okay? If you with me on the options, let me know. And if you guys want to do options this week, let me know as well so I can pick out the play that we're going to hit a home run with, all right? But let's check out SunPower Energy real quick. I want to show you guys where, if you see this, now I could have been took profits. This was up a whole bunch. I want to show you, follow my screen if you can. I'm taking you guys all the way back. Look at the time. Look at the time. It is 10:20. This was up 77%. Sometimes you guys ask me when to cash out, when to take profits, and I always talk to you guys about not being greedy. If you didn't, I know hundreds of you did because I talked to many of you today, so I already know who all hit the home runs. But for those of you that didn't, and you wonder about when should you have took profits in your option play, 10:20 for this particular play, it was up to the max, okay? If you tried to hold and be greedy, think it was gonna go higher, you see it came down for the rest of the day. Tried to make a run back up at a 12:05, but again, it fell flat, okay? And so listen, guys, you have to be ready. Again, you're gonna be in the right place, but you gotta be satisfied with whatever profit you get. For me, this was around $300. For somebody else, I saw they made 130. I saw another person make 150. Whatever it is, guys, be content, and then let's get ready for our next play. Okay, I had to show you guys that, but right now I want to talk to you about NIO and their earnings expectation. They're currently sitting at $45.23. They are up 1.5% on the day, so not too bad for the day, okay? And that's not too bad leading up into earnings report, which is tomorrow, okay? But listen, I need you guys to embrace whatever is to come, whether that's volatility to the upside or downside, okay? They are going to make and do well on the earnings report. So just FYI, they're going to do good. However, just because you do good doesn't mean that the stock might go up. The stock may stay flat. It might go down, or it could go up. So you guys already know over here, I want to prepare you for whichever way it choose to go, okay? Those of you that didn't take profits yet, and I told you guys, and I've been telling you in every video, if you was with us at 7 and we held it to 40, take profits at 40. Now it's at 45, so you even made more money. That's fine and dandy. You guys know I'm in this for the long haul, but for those of you that this was a more shorter term play, again, consider taking profits one last time if you haven't already. I don't want you guys to get caught holding the bag on the way down if that is potentially where it goes next, okay? For those of you that don't plan to sell and that you are looking to build your position out from here, you guys already know $40 is around our next price target to get in at, okay? 43 if you need to get one closer to where it's currently at. So just keep those numbers in mind, and you already know our price targets for this play if it comes back to the 30s, and you guys already know what to do. We pounce. Listen guys, this is going to be an exciting week. I just want you guys to be ready. Let's make some money, but let's be strategic and smart about everything that we do. Okay, NIO is one of our plays on this particular channel, all right? And so we have a lot of invested into how they perform, because in terms of long-term prospects, I need to know that they're selling cars. I need to know that they're in a factory making cars. I need to know that their battery business is good. And so I will get the answers, and so will you, tomorrow, so that we can know just where the company stands out of the horse's mouth. Okay, so listen guys, I want you to be excited. I want you to get ready. Regardless, over here we make money no matter if it go up or down. So tap in, lock in, and let's get on to our word of the day. And our word of the day is falling knife. Listen guys, I had to revisit this one more time, because you have a potential with earnings report. Sometimes they can be volatile, and so if one thing is off, that could be the catalyst that makes something plummets down. And if it plummets down, that means it's a falling knife potentially. I don't want you guys trying to catch NIO specifically if it's plummeting down. Wait till you know what our buy points are. If it's in the 30s, we buy this at 35, 37, and 38. If it ever comes to 20 again, you already know we get this at 25, 27, 28, and 30, okay? And if it goes into the 40 but don't come down that much, 40 and 43 are our buy zones. So listen, don't catch a falling knife. We are setting the bottom for ourselves, so we know if it comes here, we jump on it. If it goes further, then we know where we get in at, all right? Guys, we're gonna dominate in the stock market. We're gonna dominate this week right here, kicking it off with this vaccine announcement. Okay, listen guys, up next is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Sean Hopkins. Started off investing to flip my way to a motorcycle. Chris got me there, but I can't buy a bike now because there's too much money to be made with that money. Hey Sean, I just had to come show you some love, man. I know the feeling, guys. The one beautiful thing about investing is you might get into it with one goal, and then once you really learn and get the hang of it, you will all of a sudden be so inspired to do something else. Guys, I talk to hundreds of you daily, and I can tell you firsthand, from people wanting to start businesses, from people wanting to buy a house, from people wanting to do various things, the stock market will all of a sudden, once you get a taste of it, it'll have you wanting to accomplish those goals, but wanting to get back to it so that you can continue to build your wealth out. I just wanted to highlight him because I know this feeling. I can relate. I saw everybody in the comments show him some love too. And so listen, that's the beauty and that's the power of the stock market, guys. Listen, if you have comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.